we will be using. So you have to choose the color accordingly and draw. Select the circle shape to draw the sun. Okay, and then actually you will be selecting the lines tool. What tool? Lines tool. For what purpose? To draw the lines for the sun. Okay. Then you will choose the fill color. Fill tool. Okay, fill tool. In that you will be selecting the color. Color palette will be at the down. Yes. So you will be selecting the color. For example, for the hill, you will select brown color and you will fill the hills, all the hills brown color. Okay, and then you will select green color for the grass part, and then blue color for river, and sky blue color for sky, and white color for clouds. Okay, and then now we have completed all those things. Now at last we use the magic tool. So in the magic tool, what are the two subtools we use? What are the two subtools we use? Subtools means in the magic tool, once you open at the right side, there will be the options, no? Right side regarding the respective tools will open, no? What is that? Is subtools. That is subtools. Okay. So what are the subtools we used here? Exactly, grass and flowers. Okay. Grass, you have to fill first grass for all the green part. Okay. Throughout that green part, you have to click for the filling the grass. Okay. Then you will choose the flowers. Okay. Here only red color flowers I have given. You can choose other colors also in the different colors flowers you can draw. Okay. So now tools used to make scenery. What are the tools? New, paint, fill, shapes, lines, and magic tool. Finally, only we use magic tool, children. Everyone said first itself magic tool. And now once we complete, what we will do? Yes, we should save the scenery. We should save the scenery. Unless otherwise we could not see it once again. We could not look later. Okay. If we save only, it will be in your system or device. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear? Any doubt in this? So once you saved this, if you click the open tool, there will be the options. What and all you have saved paints will be available in the save open tool. Okay. You can look in that. You can do changes in it. Okay. Open tool. We won't use to make the scenery, but we can look later. We can make use of it to look later. Okay, is it clear? Next time while I'm asking, you should not say, ma'am, open tool. Okay, to make the scenery, there is no need open tool. Okay, clear? Okay. So now we are going to look slideshow in TuxPaint. Okay, Kavita ma'am will continue. Yes, over to Kavita ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Rubini ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Jai Gurudev children. Happy morning all of you. So far we are learning about TuxPaint, right? So the previous chapter we have seen the tools of the TuxPaint, right? Now we are moving on to the next chapter and the title is Fun with the TuxPaint. So in the Fun with the TuxPaint, we are going to see, we have seen one content in the previous class. What is that? scenery in TuxPaint, right? So, ma'am has recalled that scenery in TuxPaint. So, you know about the scenery, how to make the scenery in TuxPaint. So, what are the tools used in the scenery, right? Yes. Now, we are moving on to the next content, and it is slideshow. Okay. What do you mean by slideshow? Slideshow means it's a presentation, and in the presentation we will see it's like a video. Okay, it's a collection of slides or pictures or images. What else we are selecting, we can see in the slideshow. Okay, so you can see one by one in a sequence order. You can see the slideshow. Okay, you can see the pictures one by one. So you can create a slideshow with whatever the pictures you want. Okay. So if you want to see a wild animals pictures or birds pictures or any other parts of the body, so whatever the pictures you want in a slideshow, you can see and you can make it in the TuxPaint. Okay. So we are going to make the slideshow in TuxPaint. So let me share the TuxPaint now. Ma'am, is it visible, ma'am? Is it visible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, it's visible
Hello.
now.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. So we are going to create a slideshow now. For that, what we are going to do first? So we have to create some images one by one, isn't it? Yes. So we have to create some images for animals. Okay. So let us select animals. Okay. Before that, we have to select for new drawing canvas, which tool is used? For a new drawing canvas, which tool is used? Type in the chat box. Ma'am, are they giving answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes,
New
it's a
tool.
new tool. Yes, very good. So it's a new tool. So for drawing, for new drawing canvas, we have to select the new tool in the toolbar, which is in the toolbar, right? Yes. So I'm just going to select the new tool in the toolbar. Okay. I have selected the new tool now, and whatever the color you want, whatever the picture you want, you can select in the new drawing canvases. So you can see variety of colors, variety of background colors, isn't it? Yes. So now I'm just going to select yellow color. Okay. After clicking the yellow color, you have to click the open button. You know that where is the open button? Yes. In the bottom of the left side, you can see the open button, right? So after clicking the open button, you can see the selected color. Okay. Selected drawing canvas, right? Yes. Now I'm just going to give a title for this slide. Okay. So I'm going to select the text tool. Okay, because I want to write here. For that, I'm selecting the text tool. Okay, so after selecting the text tool, you have to type animals. Okay, animals. What is the spelling of animals? What is the spelling of animals? Animal. Isn't it? Animal. Okay, animals. So here I have typed the animals title. Okay, but I want to change the size of the font. So what I have to do next? You have to click the arrow button. You have to click the arrow button. No, you should not do here. Danshika, you can do in your computer or in your device. Okay, after completing the class, you can check it. Okay. So I want to increase the size of the font. Now, what I have to do? Yes, I have to click. Let me annotate and share you. Okay. So here you can see the arrow buttons, right? In the right corner, right bottom, right? Okay. In the right bottom, you can see two arrow buttons. Down arrow is decreasing the size of the font. Okay. Decreasing the size of the text. And up arrow is used to increase the size of the font. Okay. Up arrow is used to increase the size of the font. So let me show you now. Yes. Okay. I'm clicking the down arrow now. Okay. It is becoming very small, right? Yes. Now I'm clicking the up arrow and it is becoming very large, isn't it? It's very big. It is looking very big, right? And I want to change the color now. So I can change the color by using the color palette. Okay. Whatever you are selecting, you can change the color. And now I just want to change the word in capital letters. Okay. So you can change the font style in the subtools. Okay. So wherever you are typing, wherever you are clicking the word, you can see that. Now I'm just clicking the capital letters. Okay. So whatever the font style you want, you can change that. Okay. I am clicking the capital letters font. Okay. So it has changed, right? It has changed. Now what we are going to do? We are going to save the slide now. So for saving option, you can see the save tool. Danshika, listen ma. So you can save the picture. I mean save this slide now by clicking the save tool in the toolbar. Okay. Now it has saved. Okay. Now this image, this title image has saved. Okay. Now we have to create some more slides for the animals. So we are going to insert some animals picture. Okay. So we are going to insert some animal stamps here. So for that, I am clicking the new drawing canvas. Okay. So when we are clicking the new drawing canvas, you can see variety of background screens, right? Yes. I'm choosing the pink color now and I'm clicking the open button. Okay. Now you can see, okay. Now you can see the pink color screen for the next slide. Okay. Now we are going to choose some animals in the stamps tool. Okay. So I have selected the stamp tool. So you know that while we are clicking the stamp tool, you can see 6 stamps will be available in the stamp tool. Okay. In the sub tools, you can see 6 stamps with the penguin pictures, right? But now you can see variety of stamps with the pictures of animals, birds. Okay. See, you can see the birds pictures in the side, isn't it? In the right side, you can see the animals picture. And whenever you are clicking the stamp, you can see the outline of the picture, right? Yes. I just want to make pictures with animals. So I am choosing the animals. Okay. I'm looking for animal pictures so that I'm coming down. No, it is not available here. So I'm clicking the arrow button. I'm looking for the animals. No, we don't give approval for annotate. Okay. No, children, you don't expect for annotation here, because you are learning now how to create a slideshow. Okay. So you are just learning. Okay. So here I'm selecting the stamps. Okay. I'm looking for the stamps now. Okay. I'm checking here. So whatever the picture, because if you are doing any action, I can't do it properly. Okay. Don't do any unwanted actions. Okay. Please ask us to annotate. Okay. Please don't ask us to annotate. See, I'm looking for the stamps now. It has stopped because of your actions. Ma'am, is it visible, ma'am? Ruby, ma'am?
Hi, yes, ma'am, visible, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Visible, ma'am.
Yes. So we have to do the next, again we have to do. Okay. So we have to choose the new slide again. After that, we can select the pink color slide and it has opened now. Okay. So now I'm selecting the stamp tool. So whenever you are selecting any birds or any other thing, so you will get the sound. Okay. Wait, let me show you. It's becoming slow. Okay, let us select some birds picture. So that I am clicking the birds tool now. Okay. Okay. So we shall take the birds pictures now. So for that I have to give the title birds, right? So I'm texting here birds. So we are going to make slideshow with the birds. Okay. So now I'm just going to change the font size and font color. Okay, we have to increase the size of the word. Okay, that is text or you can say font. Okay, so we have changed the size of the word, right? Yes. So now we have to save this. Yes, I have saved this now. Now again I'm choosing a new tool and I'm looking for the new drawing canvas. So I'm selecting the green color now and I'm clicking the open button. So now you have to click the stamp tool again. Okay. And if you are having any words in the screen, you can do the undo action. Okay. So which is in the toolbar. Okay. Now I'm just going to click the hen picture. Okay. See, now you can see the hen picture, right? Yes. I'm going to write hen at the top. Now, see, if you want more pictures, more stamps in the stamp tool, you have to download it in Google. Okay. You have to download it in Google. Because at first you can't see the stamps here. So if you want again, you have to download one more app for this. You have to install one more app, stamps tool. Okay. Touch tool stamps you have to download again. Okay. Then it will be added in the stamps. Okay. Now we have to write hen at the top. Okay. Again and again you are asking for annotating. If you are doing the same action, then I can't do it properly. Okay. Listen here. So I am going to type hen. Okay. Okay. So I have to decrease the size. Decrease means we have to change the size into small, right? So I have to click that in down arrow. Okay. By using the down arrow, you can choose the. Okay. Now it is fine. Okay. Yes. I'm going to save this now. It has saved. So now we have to create a new picture. Again, we have to create a new picture. For that, we have to click the new tool again. Okay. Okay. Now, what color we can choose? We can choose the orange color. Okay. After selecting the orange color, I'm clicking the open button. Okay. Now you can see the orange color screen, right? Yes. Now I'm just going to select the stamp tool. Okay. So after selecting the stamp tool, whenever you are typing anything in the previous slide, it will be coming in the next slide also. So you have to do the undo action. Now the stamp tool has selected. So first picture is, what is the first picture? So we have given a title, birds, isn't it? Yes. What is the next picture? We have inserted a ken. Now we are going to insert a duck. Okay. Yeah. Can you see the duck now? Yes. You can see the duck here, isn't it? Yes. Now we are going to write duck at the top. Duck at the top of the picture. Okay. So we have to, because we have to give a title. Okay. So we have to give the bird name, right? Yes. So we can click the text tool and we can write duck. Okay. After clicking it, you can change the color of the font. Okay. Now it has changed in green color. Okay. So we have to save now. Okay. So it has saved now. Okay. Now I'm going to open a new drawing canvas again because we have created only 3 pictures, right? We have created only 3 pictures. So I'm just going to create another more picture. Okay. For that, I have clicked the new tool again and I'm going to select the lavender color. Okay. And now it has changed. Okay. The background color, the background screen has changed. Okay. Now let us select some stamps. Okay. Some bird stamp here. So when you are clicking a new tool, when you are opening a new tool, it will be seen like, I mean, the before text will be seen. So you have to do the undo action and then you have to click any one of the stamp. Okay. So you can select any one bird. Okay, I have selected a crow now. Okay, I have selected a crow now. Okay, so we have to write the name of the bird. Okay, what is the name of the bird? Crow, right? Crow. Now, what is spelling of crow? Can you write in the chat box? Can you type? Can you type in the chat box? What is the spelling of crow? Yes. So the crow spelling is CROW. Okay. Crow. So we can change the color of the font now. Okay. I have changed it in black color. Okay. So you can see the word in black color, right? And the same size, it is nice. Okay. So we don't want to change the size of the font now. Okay. So what we are going to do next? We have to save the picture, right? So far we have created 4 pictures. 3 birds picture and 1 title picture we have added. Now we have to save this. Yes, it has saved now. Okay. So let us add some more pictures in this now. Okay. Now again what we are going to do? Again we have to select the new tool. Okay. So after clicking the new tool, you can see a variety of new drawing canvases, right? Yes. So you can select any one of the color. I'm selecting this color and it has changed now. So you have to, what you have to do next? You have to choose the stamp tool. Okay. So I have selected the stamp tool now. And you can go for any other birds now. I'm looking for a bird. Yes, I have picked a bird. What it is? It's a parrot, right? It's a colored parrot, right? Yes. But its size is very small, right? So you can change the size of the bird. So I'm going to undo this and I have to increase the size by clicking the blue lines. Okay, you know the blue lines, right? In the bottom right side, you can see the blue lines. So after selecting that, you have to click the picture. Okay, now it has changed. I mean, the size has changed, right? Yes. Now the size is in big, somewhat big. So now we have to give the text. I mean, we have to add the name of the bird, right? So we can add the name here. So we can add the name by parrot. Okay. What is the spelling of parrot? Parrot. Okay. Parrot. Yes. So we can change the color of the font, right? Yes. So I have changed in yellow color. Okay. So what we have to do next? We have to save this, right? Yes. I'm saving this picture. So far, we have done 5 slides for our slideshow. Okay. And it is a bird slideshow. Okay. So we can add one more thing, one more bird. Okay. To make it interesting, to make the slideshow interesting. Okay. So I'm just going to select this color and I'm clicking the open button. Okay. Now we have to choose a stamp. Okay. Let us seek for a peacock. Let us check. Is this peacock? Yeah, it is a peacock and it is a white peacock. Can you see this? It's a white peacock, right? Yeah. Now we have to add the title. We have to add the name of the bird, right? Yes. I'm going to type. I have to select the text tool now. Okay. And we have to write peacock at the top. Okay. Peacock. What is the spelling of peacock? Type in the chat box. What is the spelling of peacock? Type in the chat box. What is the spelling of peacock? Yes. Peacock. Peacock. Okay. Now we can change the color, right? Yes. Whatever the color you want, you can change. Yes. Fine. Now we have to save this picture. Yes, it has saved. So we have saved 6 pictures, right? 6 pictures, 6 or 5, I don't know. Okay. So now how we can make a slideshow? How can we make a slideshow? Let me show you how to make a slideshow. Okay. Now I will ask one question. Okay. How will you open? I mean, what is the use of the open button? What is the use of the open button? Tell me. Tell me or type in the chat box. What is the use of the open button? So open button is used to open the picture which is already saved, right? Yes. So open a picture which is already saved. So you have to you have to click the open tool now. See, now you can see the pictures which have saved by me, isn't it? Yes. So one by one I have did these pictures, right? Now whatever the picture you don't want in your slideshow, you can erase that. Okay. So you have to select that picture and you have to erase that. So which is the odd one here? Which is the odd one? Which picture is the odd one? Can you say? One picture is odd one, and which is that? The first one is animals. The second slide you can see birds, and the third slide you can see hen, and in the fourth slide you can see duck. Fifth slide you can see crow, and sixth slide you can see parrot, and in the seventh slide you can see peacock, right? Yes. Which is the odd one here? Yes, of course it is animals. Okay. So the animals is unwanted here, isn't it? So the animals is odd one. Animal slide is odd one. So we can erase that because we have first we started to create the animal pictures, but then we go for the birds, right? So we can delete the animal pictures. How can we delete here? Okay, we have to select the animals. Select the animal slide, and you can erase that by clicking the erase button at the bottom of the screen. In the right bottom, you can see the erase button. Let me annotate and show you. Okay, here you can see the erase button, right? So you have to click the erase button. Okay. Yes, I'm going to click the erase button now. So it is asking me, do you want to erase? Yes, erase it, or you don't want to erase. No, don't erase it. So yes, I want to erase it. So I'm clicking the tick mark. Okay. Now it has erased. Okay. You can't see the animal picture, right? You can't see the title animals. Yes. Now what you are going to do next? So you know that, so whenever the picture want to open, which is already saved, you have to click the open button. You have to select the picture and you should click the open button. Like the same way, you have to click the slides in the bottom. Okay. So you can select, so whatever the picture you want in the slideshow, you can add here, and you have to click the slides. So where the slides option? Yes, near to the open button. Okay, nearer to the open button, you can see the slides option. Okay, so now we are going to click the slides option. See the magic, what has happened, what is going to happen. I'm not doing anything. It's automatically coming like a video. Okay, it is called slideshow. Okay. This is the slideshow view. Okay. So you can view the pictures one by one, right? Yes. Okay. Again, I'm showing you. So after clicking the slides, you can see the play button here. Okay. I'm clicking the play button and you can see the slideshow view now. One by one, you can see the bird's picture, right? Yes. It's very nice, isn't it? Yes. So this is how you have to create a slideshow. Okay. So let me go back. I'm going to quit now. Okay. So far, we have learned how to create . Hello, am I audible?
Ma'am,
Rubini,
You're
ma'am?
audible, ma'am.
how to
Yes.
download the TuxPaint in
Yes.
phone, ma'am?
So this is in Google. Okay, you have to type download TuxPaint, and then you can download. You ask help from your parents. Okay. Now, children. So this is for our today's session, and you can try it in your home. Okay. So whatever the device